Hi guys. Welcome to Programming Lab. Before we starting the lecture, we wanted to know something about the C programming language. About C programming language. Procedural language, instructions in a C program are executable step by step. It make easy to learn and easy to perform. Portable, we can move C programs from one platform to another platform, Windows to Android and revere of it, and run it without any difficulty or charges. Speed, C programming is most faster than the other programming languages like Java, Python, etc. General purpose, C programming can be used to develop operating systems, embedded systems, databases, easy to learn, easy to implement, used on various platform and so on. I learned C programming. C programming languages helps you to understand the internal architecture of a computer, how computer stores and retrieves information. After learning C, it will be much easier to learn other programming languages like Java, Python, etc. Opportunity to work on open source projects. Some of the largest open source projects such as Linux kernel, Python interpreted, SQLite database, etc. are written in C programming. Let's start our lecture. From the C introduction. 1 keywords and identifier. 2 variables and constants. 3 C data types. 4 C input/output. 5 C operators. 6 C introduction examples. These are the points we wanted to learn in C introduction. Guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.